Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Hub. Hey video here Forest Guard 2022 question paper and solved on our arithmetic section B. 50 questions are there and trust me, questions are very good. Okay, so you must solve all the questions along with me. In solving because your upcoming examination questions allow strike thay. In yang hem PDF group an lo share and in that group Forest Guard 2022 tin mention Jimmy Wang Chuan, hey, these are the questions, general English section ania, and after that elementary mathematics say these are the questions. Jimmy Zwa GK po question. Sumga aoma. Now I'll show you the questions. These are the questions. Say questions at shalom lutuk. Okay. At shalom lutuka difficult questions in Solduchan. These are the questions. And abik takin atopami atoplam how he tlemin interesting boka and questions are little bit difficult. Okay, like this one. The least number of complete years in which a sum of money put out at 20% compound interest will be more than double is. The question examine which one hey low salt hey low taula ancient tabula ngayon siya mi juka atingay na kashet hot lo into dona maseng khatya inti main kaiman shadawin ka explain dona like this type of questions. In a shower 5 centimeter of rain falls, volume of water that falls on 1.5 hectares of ground is. So tiang hi tingay na kashet hot lo kami sentence ka in man ma in Kaiman can explain vek dona, so still you are having time and in solvang Kaima Rualin along with me. First question 51. 35 sweets are distributed among Sita and Gita in the ratio 4:3. Number of sweets Sita gets is. Now Sita part ka engzat nge ka 4 part tro. So 4 divided by Sita plus Gita engzat mo part 7 consideration multiplied by engzat sweet ngen dash undistributed don kha 35 sweets. Chumi wangchon tihan kan cancel nga, it means Sita gets 4 into 5 20 sweets. C is correct answer. Question number 52. The ratio of present ages of father to that of his son is 7:4. Omziachu 7/4. This is the ratio and variable pakatayan mangila apoimi alonyo. 10 years hence. So 10 years hence aniton 2 na tranga kumsom nuwa. The ratio will become 11/7. Okay, 11/7. Present age exact nganiton. Unpresent age ka kay manin 7x/4x can assume atero. Hetatrangian value of x can find out and cross multiply la. 7x are 40. 9x and ya 7 into 10 70. 4x into 11 44x and 10 into 11 110. 44x 49x bula kandanga 49x minus 44x and 70 110 bula tiyan minus 70. Now 49 minus 44 5x 110 minus 70 how much 40. So x is equals to 8 and hemi 8 kita can kanda deyang. So 7 into 8 is 56. 56 is the present age of father. And 4 into 8, 32. The 32 is the present age of his son. 56 and 32 is correct answer of this question. And yes, channel in the subscribe lodge one in subscribe donya for upcoming videos. Okay. Question number 53. Some fetched 8 total simple interest of 4016.25 at the rate of 9% per annum in 5 years. What is the sum? So, amichu simple formula kan manga SI is equals to PRT by 100 and principal can find out ang aya chumi wangchon 100 into SI by R into T. Now 100 and yeah, simple interest is how much? 4016.25 divided by a rate 9% and time exact 5 years. Decimal da so nila anwaya BL pani. 0 means 100 le 100 can cancel thai. And simpler form akan zia kang 401625 divided by 9 into 5. Now 5 in cancel donila 80s are zalinity na 5 threes are 15, 125 ala bang. So 525 is a 125. 9 in cancel leila. Exact nga kan ya. 9 8s are 72. So 8 kan zia kang. 8325 ala bang. 9 9s are 81. 225 ala bang. 9 2s are 18 and 45 ala bang. So 9 5s are 45. Okay. So 8925 is correct answer. Option A, yes. Option D is correct answer. Tuna, question number 54. HCF ungiven a hey 12 and product of two number pon given a LCM of two number kan siya mo hey formula ng mani ponin siya nga product of two number, that is A into B, is equals to LCM of two number into HCF of two number. Now product and given a sangka zariyat LCM kan shalaw x kan ziya kang and HCF of two numbers so panian given bok. Now x is equals to sangka zariyat by 12. 12 in cancelila exact times ngani don't means 12 and 11. 6 in cancelila 300 by 2 and 300 by 2 here exact ngani chin za somga. So C is the correct answer of this question. A language hi antlag dang lam thai. Okay, a language mo antlag ma saying just because of that boy ngai lo eng ma po boy ngai lo. Question number 55. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 kilometer per hour in still water. So boat speed will give ungiven a 13 kilometer per hour. If the speed of the stream, okay, or the current speed point given, oh, 4 kilometer per hour means water flowing speed point given. Find the time taken by the boat to go 68 kilometer downstream. Acha. Ani jon downstream nang mani pon in siya nga, hey, if water is flowing in east direction and movement of this boat is also in the same direction, so hemi kesi enge downstream anya. And downstream formula enge nitrin ka distance by the speed of boat plus speed of current hemi hi nitrin. So 68 kilometer and given a and anway ayan b plus c, that is 13 plus 4 exact nitrin 17 kilometer per hour. Kilometer le kilometer kan cancel hemi hour ki ta chaude donyo and 17 fours are anishin. So 4 hours. 4 hours is correct answer of this question. Question number 56 here. A man has some hens and cows. Heavy question. If the number of heads is 48, so cow le hen aneya lu engzat nge 48. Viable comment. Number of feet engzat nge kian nei. I bongin ke pali nei china. R in K pani anachin. So Belcomin 140. Number of hens antiatro. Hens antichon C he can eliminate donyo. Masing C eliminate turin a coefficient hi aninang tur. Heta 4 ania heta 1 ania. Chumi wangchon hemi pohi 4 angin kan siya mga don. In order to do that, 4 in can multiply tapang. So equation thartahan kan siya kang hemi zoki. 4C plus 4H is equals to exact ngani don 32 and 3 16 plus 3 92 so 192 and anwai meju as it is kan thlak danglam don mi alone is equals to 140. Now subtract ila plus and minus plus and minus plus and minus 4C trang in 4C pay is 0 4H trang in 2H pay 2H 192 atrang in 140 pay exact nge 52. Now 2 in can cancel Joan. Hen will be how much? 26 hens are there. So 26 is correct answer of this question. Video you trying to teach more in like ngenge donya. Question number 57. In a mixture of 60 liters, I mean 60 liters and the non-container pakat kan siya mga and 60 liters and yeah, ratio of milk and water 2:1. Now milk zat ngayom don. 2 divided by milk plus water part 3 and total 60 liter. So milk a vine liter somli tinani chu and 2 yang zat mo ma 20 liter. Okay, masing ratio 1:2 siam turin 2 yang zat nge can add on further yang zat nge can add bell on. Yes. Chumi turchuan hey milk by water enga mozat can add nga and ratio hi 1/2 kan nahi thayang. milk ang zat nge kha 40 liter, water ang zat nge kha 20 liter. So value of x hatatrangin kan find out. Find out chinila cross multiply. 80 is equals to 20 plus x. Hemi 20 hela makanda chun mo 80 minus 20. That is 60 liters. Okay, so 60 liters we can add ang idon. Further can add ang idon. Question number 58. A person can cover at certain distance. Okay, certain distance and ichon hemi kan shall distance. D can assume. Hemi distance a vine hunang zat ngela cover turin dar ka ruk hunala. And a speed hi ang zat nge. Speed po ang given chon har to don law ni chu. Tatrang yan distance can find out ang. Distance can find out ang speed into time anidon. And speed is 45. Time is 6. Can multiply chon 270. So 270 ni jo hami total distance hai. Traveling at what speed can he cover the same distance in 5 hours? So hami distance boki 270 hi darkar nga cover nga masing speed ang zat ngai don. In that case speed is equals to distance by time tero. So distance is 270 kilometer and time ang zat nge 5 hours and given. 5 in can cancel nga 2s are 10 and 2 into 27 54. So 54 kilometer per hour speed in tlanangayang. Okay, ora kalangayang. Question number 59. A man took loan from bank at the rate of 12% per annum simple interest. After 3 years, he had to pay 5400 interest only for the period. Okay, the principal amount borrowed by him was, so principal can find out angai hetahian amount tiwang maya amount was on angai principal and me principal amount find out angai ani chuan principal. What is the formula? SI into 100 by R into T. Now simple interest in zat nge 5400 and 100 and yeah divided by R into T. Rate is 12 and time ang zat nge 3. ME hinia. Now kan cancel nga kan answer law chuak mayang. Masing 3 in cancel ila ang zat nge don 1800. 12 in cancel ila zasom nga into 100 is singkhatle sanga. So C is correct answer of this question. A language and tlag dang lam lutuka a language and tlag dang lam wangin eng mabuay ngailo principal amount find out ang ayatro. So a borrow zat khani borrow zat kha engenishin kan borrow chuan that is principal and at the time of rule kan rule don in interest nen kan pay chuan that is amount and it. Question number 60. A man has 480 rupees in the denominations of 1 rupee notes, 5 rupees notes, and 10 rupees notes. Number of notes of each denomination is equal. Hemiline hi poimonio. Number of notes of each denomination is equal. Omziachu 1 rupee note x and each one, 5 rupees note po x and idona, and 10 rupee note po x and idona. What is the total number of notes that he has? So in this case, total notes, total number of notes, x assume x can assume chuan 1 rupee note po x oma, 5 rupee note po x oma, and 10 rupee note po x om. 1 rupee note ang zat mo oma x chumi function cheng khat into x. 5 rupees note ang zat mo oma 5 into x. 10 rupees note ang zat mo oma x chumi function 10 into x. A variable common cheng zariat cheng zalile somriat. Now multiply la 1 into x is x, 5 into x is 5x, 10 into x is 10x, 480. Now 10x plus 5x plus x ang zat nge 16x, and 16x is equals to 480 through x value kan ito how much? 30. Okay, value of x kan ito that is 30. Since all are equal through x plus x that is 3x. That's why x in 30 gandang. So 3 into 30 is 90. So 90 is correct answer of this question. Ami question idule unitary method puna solve thaya total number of notes ang zat nge 3 assume ila cheng khat note pakhata om chenga note pakhata om and 10 rupees note pakhata om a viable community som paru kanya and som paru unit is zali somriat. 1 unit will be zali somriat by 16 that is 30 ani and came on in atira 3 unit tiro can assume. So 3 into 30 is 90. So unitary method pon came on in consult me question here. Tuna question number 61 here. 32 hey 32% of what number is 256. This is the question. Now 32 exact times nge atopa 6 so amatro, so 32 topa 18 multiply la at anithaidon 32 8 zar 256 anichin and hami 100 dikhita multiply chaudeila, so 800 option B is correct answer. Question number 62. To fill a tank, 25 buckets of water is required. How many buckets of water will be required to fill the same tank? Okay, same tank. If the capacity of bucket is reduced to 2/5 of its present. Omzia chumo. Antinan hemi hi bucket pakhatania. Hemi hi bucket pakhatania. Okay, hemi hi bucket pakhatania. And this is our tank. Now, hemi capacity hi ang zat ngayon siya. 25 bucket capacity ni hai. 25 bucket of water is required. Hemi ti full turin. Okay. Hemi capacity hi ang zat nga ni don 25 into bucket kanti mang. Now, hemi bucket himo a capacity hi kanti claim day don reduced to 2/5 of its present. Ani chon 2/5 of it present ani chon mo ka atele do ate don lu dugan ichu. Ahma chon B ani chin. Okay. Maseng tuntrum 2/5 of B ani day. So confine out to total number of bucket confine out tangai. In order to do that, capacity of alien means capacity of tanki divided by capacity of bucket. Englawang khan volume of wall by volume of one brick. Chutiang bok chon tapo hian a volume of tank divided by volume of one bucket. Ani chon volume of one bucket enge 2/5 of B and volume of tank enge 25B. Kan answer chuak me anglawan do 25B nya divided by 2/5 of bucket. B le B can cancel. And mi 5 kita chode donyo. So 25 into 5 by 2. So 125 2 in can division 62.5. So total 62.5 buckets are required. Question number 63. Question number 63 here 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 and yeah. Chuan in 0.02, 0.02, 0.02 ania. Ani chon mo A in 0.1 assume la B in 0.02 kan assume. Maseng anway an 0.2 le 0.04 om le day. In this case, tihian tide ila ni melom poile nem. 0.2 hi ang tin nge kan zia thai tihian. Chuti ambok chon hemi 0.2 hi ang tin nge kan zia thai tihian. Chuti ambok chon hemi 0.2 hi ang tin nge kan zia thai tihian. Mo again kan nei lelam A into A kan nei. Maseng in addition with this hemi 2 into 2 into 2 omze chu 8 po kan nei talanyo. Mo hemi pum pui ai hen nge kan zia thai 8 chuan 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1. Chu tiam bok chon e khayat le min an thlak dang lamani hi 0.04 po yang tin nge kan zia thai 0.02 into 2 in shet yam tro. Chu tiam bok chon hemi 0.04 po hi 0.02 into 2. Tiam bok chon hemi 0.4 po hi 0.04 po hi 0.02 into 2 kan zia kang. So 0.02 hi voithum and in addition with this 2 into 2 into 2 that is 8. In shet yam ang hemi thel hi. Claim an englaw ni hi tange unmodified 0.02, 0.02, 0.02. Tan thil pakhatin noti sangamo hetapo 8 oma hetapo 8 oma. So denominator 8 common kan lang. 8 common kan lang vele mo chungami le anwai mi anin ang ngal don hey. 0.02 hami dash kan timayang kan ziak full lo mo space om lewa. And anwai 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 here. Pum pui hemi can cancel ang only 1/8 cho bang don yo and 1/8 ng anything 0 point kan da chuan 10 and 10 hi 18 kan divide chuan 1 zar 20 bang lenga 20 18 kan divide chuan 2 is the 16 and etro 4 bang and 40 ka 18 kan divide chuan 5. So 0 point option B in one this is the correct answer tahian 0.125. Question number 64. The ratio compounded of 2 by 3 and 4 by 9 is a compound ratio based question. Niti angi ju regular batch ake man ke explain vek to regular batch student or recorded videos in leichon in shelu to kanga tiang question so he and 100% question ke man in console to. So 2 into 4 exat 8 and 3 into 9 exat 27. So 8 by 27. Tam takin have question number 64 hemi enge avamakwe ratio compounded of khuyami ngele antimai the ama saying compound ratio concept ani hai ratio are of many types and tinan triplicate subtriplicate duplicate subduplicate compound ratio mo atamluduk. Now question number 65 hemi here. If 20% of A is B and each one 20% of A is B hemi and given. Hemi le hemi and cancel de yang and 5 kita kan multiply chau de yang A is equals to 5B hemi kan shito. Now then B percent of 20 is same as and each one B percent of 20 is same as engeni don lawan chinto. Hemi tiyan ziak zo kila B is equals to A by 5 po kan the lam. So in the form of A find out tangaya, so B I nenge kanda the A by 5 kanda de yang divided by this and into 20. Now 20 in hemi 100 he cancel de ila exact nge kan mudon 5 kan mudon and A by 5 divided by 5 means A by 25. Now thil pakhat tahian into 4 le in divided by 4 kan tijon achatna ka shilang chawa achatna veju hemi hi 25 into 4 100 ani don and A by 100 okay A by 100 into 4 A by 100 ka 1 by 100 ka percent ani trin tro hey 1 by 100 hi percent ani trin chumi wang chon hemi 1 by 100 ain percent kandang so A percent of 4 in mem option A is correct answer. And we concept in Shianga A percent of 4 is always equals to 4% of A. In Shatia ma'am. 5% of 6 is equals to 6% of 5. Then he regular becha omveka. So in Shiat Lauchuan in Laushadondia. So A is the correct answer. Question number 66. An observer 0.6 meter tall is 20 root 3 meters away from a tower. Hemi tower pakhatania and exact more away 20 root 3 meter away from a tower. Acha he pahimo or henu he observer he 1.6 meter a height ania. Angle of elevation from his eyes emi pani he his eyes ani jon tatrang hian he tatrang hian. This angle of elevation is 30 degree ani chu. Height of the tower find out tangai hemi h mo find out tangai maseng hemi h find out turin the only this one find out tula atopa hemi 1.6 kan bel thai so this small h can find out tang and if this is 20 root 3 then obviously hemi pohi 20 root 3 ani don ani juan har to don lewe hey enge kan manang perpendicular kan ne base kan nei so in this case 10 theta kan mangchin 10 theta again it's in perpendicular by base now theta upon given 30 so 10 30 degree is equals to perpendicular small h and ya base 20 root 3 now 10 root 10 30 ka enge value ni chin 1 by root 3 ani chin h and 20 root 3 root 3 le root 3 kan cancel it means h yang zat ngin shiam 20 meter hemi small h mo 20 meter ani chu maseng hemi hi a height enga trangin a eyes a trangin okay hey heta trang hi anania a catering from the ground kan ti chon hemi 1.6 meter po hi kita 20 akan add so total capital h will be small h plus 1.6 so 20 meter le 1.6 that is 21.6 meters so 21.6 meters is correct answer. Question number 67. Question number 67 here. 10 raised to the power 0.48 is equals to x ungiven. So 10 raised to the power 0.70 y ungiven. A condition ungiven. X raised to the power z is equals to y square. ani chon mi question mo tiang po hian ati thei thawa xi na value da dei taila 10 raised to the power 0.48 raised to the power z hey hemi value of x mo tahan kada a chuan value of y hi he tam hi mo tahan kan da le de yang is equals to 10 raised to the power 0.70 square ti hian kan ziak de yang tili chu nang mani nin sha thiam lu tu kanga and after that kan ti le tur chu e bracket always acts as multiplication het upon bracket always acts as multiplication so we can write it like this 0.48 into z is equals to 10 raised to the power 0.70 into 2 0.70 into 2 is 1.4 and now ento a base yani nang to si a base ani nang to tro base ani nang chon raised to the power hi kan equate mai thina so 0.48 into z is equals to 1.4. Now value of z all sum the win can find out theta don value of z throw find out to yes is close to 1 la tizu maleva buetla mi decimal pani kan da sona achunga bial pani decimal pahat kan da sona anwaya bial pakhat so tihian 0 le 0 kan cancel 4 in cancel or 2 in 7s are 2 in cancel 24 2 in cancel 12 so 35 by 12 ani chu and 35 by 12 ang zat nge 35 by 12 12 2s are 24 and ya 11 bang point kanda a 0 12 9s are zale pariyatan so 2.9 he correct answer anidon option C is correct answer of this question. Question number 68. How many of the following numbers are divisible by 132? Kaya what have you can check on 132 in enge can divide te don. Mazing hemi question in solve the chuan means in order to solve this question, initiate nge turchumo 132 factors engeni chin. 132 factors hemi hi 12 into 11 and 12 enge 4 into 3 and so heavy caution avartra very nine in titurjumo pathumin in divisibility number pathum in inche kangaidan 3 pon divide theitur 4 pon and 11 pon divide theitur which chekila 11 rule kha enge kha hey hemi le hemi kan bela minus alai mi okay so 2 plus 4 6 and yeah 6 atang in 6 pay 0 yes 11 in kan divide thai on 11 in ka check photang pathum le paruk pakwania pakwa tangin alai mi pakwa kan pechon 0 yes hemi poi 11 in kan divide thai pali le pani parukan ya paruka tangin alai mi kan peya 0 hemi poi 11 in kan divide thai pasari le pani pakwa tangin pakwa pe 0 hemi poi 11 in kan divide thai pakwa le pariat som pasarinia som pasari atangin paruk pe som pakhat how som pakhat le 0 in muchuan divide thai tinanyo so hemi poi 11 in kan divide thai okay 11 achua katro 11 kan divide thai chuan even place le odd place kan belang 2 plus 7 9 ania 1 plus 8 9 ania and difference 0 tro so 0 ni chuan 11 in kan divide thai 5 plus 8 13 ania 1 plus 4 5 ania hemi kan divide thai now okay 6 plus 3 9 ania 3 plus 6 9 ania so 9 minus 9 0 it means that 11 in kan divide thei ka only hemi hi kan divide thei lo no andu hemi hi kan divide thei lo 11 in kan check ton yo tuna 4 atan chekila atopa 2 digit 4 in kan divide thei chuan yes kan divide thei 64 kan divide thei 96 4 in kan divide thei 62 hi kan divide thei lo 92 po kan divide thei 68 yes kan divide thei 78 can divide them? No, can divide them. 36 can divide them? Yes, can divide them. Omzia chu, hey, divide thelo how can mark riyang. So, trin divide leila. Hemitrin can divide them. Pali paruk pani som pani. Yes, can divide them. Pakwale paruk som pangale patum som paria themi poi can divide them. Pasari le pani pakwale pakwa can divide them. Pakwale paruk som pangale somni paria pakwale paruk som pangale pariat somni patumemi kan divide thelo Hemi hi 6 plus 6 12 plus 6 18 hemi kan divide. Te omzia chumo avain 1 2 3 4. So 4 is the correct answer. 132 in 4 numbers can divide the. Okay. And what are those numbers? 264, 396, 792 and 6336. These are the 4 numbers. Hemi question it okay. Question number 69. Find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each cases. Now, find the greatest number that will divide, Anti. Okay, that will divide 43, 91, 183. Tahian trick pahat bondo ama, but kay man tihian basic in kanshel mang chow. Lawandu. 43 le 91, what is the difference? 48. 91 le 183, what is the difference? 29. John 183 atang in 43 kan page on exact nge chuadon 0 4 1. Now HCF tahen kan zia kan, and what is the reason? Nga tinge HCF, nga tinge LCM kan laklo. Because we are dividing these numbers to leave the same remainder in each cases. So what is the HCF of 48 92 le 140? Kaichon kashathiam ngala hemi 4 in kan divide thay. Hemi hi 92 himo 4 in kan divide thay. And 140 4 in kan divide thay. Yes, can divide thay. So 4 is the highest common factor. Okay, hemi I tama omlo shim duchon 40 80 18 can divide thay. Tero basing 92 18 thay law 140 18 thay law. So 4 will be the highest common factor. This is the correct answer. Question number 70. Cost price of 20 article is same as selling price of X articles. If the profit is 20%, what is the value of X? Enge value ni don. Cost price of 20 article is same as selling price of X article. Now cost price less selling price, what is the ratio? Hey, X by 20. CP zona X oma SP zona 20 oma. Simply, and profit ka enge formula ka SP minus CP by CP into 100. That is 25. Hemi 100 ikuta datla dela or hemi kan solve padang. X sin 20 kanda minus X zona X, CP zona X oma by CP zona X into 100 is equals to 25. Hemi le hemi kan cancel up 1 by 4. Hemi 4 hemo kuta chuk de don 25 and cancel nuwa. Now 20 minus x by x is equals to 1 by 4. Cross multiply de ila 4 into 20 80, 4 into x and x into 1 minus 4x hela makanda chun mo plus 4x ani de dona and x le 4x the chu 5x and 3 nasin 5 in cancel don ila 16 kan mudon. So x is equals to 16. 16 is the correct answer. Question number 71. A person crosses 600 meter long street in 5 minutes. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? And each speed find out angaya distance by time. Distance and given a meter zaruk and time and given a 5 minutes. And conclusion he kilometer per hour find out angay. In order to do that, second a convert potila minute khata second somruk omatero. Hey, 0 0 6 in 10 time and 5 in 2 time. It means 2 meter per second is our correct answer. A kilometer per hour akan la convert la utro. And each one 18 by 5 in can multiply there. After that, kilometer per hour chuniton. 2 into 18, 36 and yeah, 36 if 5 in can divide on 7.2. So 7.2 is correct answer of this question. Question number 72. Least number which should be added to 2497 so that the sum is exactly divisible by an each one tiang condition and LCM can find out portrait. What is the LCM of 564 le 3? Exact ni theyang. 630 ni thedon lawa 60 ani thedon. Yes. So 60 is the LCM. And each one 2497 himo 60 in divide chinila. 4s are zahni som linear 97 banga 1s are 60. It means 37 anichu. 37 is 60 ni turin exact nge kan add 23. So 23 can add though. So 23 kita can add ilani milom. 2 4 97 23 can add chuan 252. So 2520 is that number which can be divided by exactly divided by 5 also, 6 also, 4 also, and 3 also. So 23 can belangayang. Okay. Question number 73. A and B together have 1210 and Cheng Sang Khazanis le Cheng Somanaya. If 4 by 15 of A amount is equals to 2 by 5 of B's amount. Kaya ni John ratio find out ila ni Melom. A anya A nwaya B kan zia kang. And 15 kita 4 kuta. So 5. So 2 by 5 into 15 kita 4 kuta. 2 in 4 can cancel, a 5 in 15 3 time can cancel. Ratio kan na ito sinay. A by B is equals to 3 by 2. Hemi ratio han anin sem don distribute don. Now B in exact nga ito. How much amount does B have? B part is 2. Their total part is 3 plus 2 5. And an poison is that 1 2 1 0. 5 in cancel ila 2s are 4s are and 2s are. 2 into 242 is 484. So 484 is the correct answer. Question number 74 here. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than third number. The ratio of the two numbers. And each one third number kan siya lautro. Third number he si kaziya ka nga 100 kan assume. And first number ang zat nga ni don 20% more than each one. Zale somni. Ami tili chu initiate yam tro hai za somni 20% kan increase chuan tihian kan ziak china 100 le 100 kan cancela za somni. So tiambok chon second number 50% more than etro. So za a 100 plus 50 by 100. 100 le 100 kan cancela za somnga. Now question here, what is the ratio of two numbers? The first number za somninia, second number za somngania. So what is the ratio? 3 in cancelila 4 zar, 3 in cancelila 5 zar. So 4 by 5 and 3. 4 by 5 is correct answer. Question number 75. 100 will become after 20 years at 5% per annum compound interest amount of antiatro. Tahian kan zia kang amount is equals to P1 plus R by 100 raised to the power somni. Then don vea P hi ang zat nge zania 1 plus R by 100. I mean, approximation method in console vangayang. Ajan chu log table pon pedon lawa, scientific calculator po examan pedon lawa. 5 divided by 100 exat ngani don 0.05 and 0.05 le 1 exat 1.05 raised to the power 20. Okay, hemi hinya console to then don lo. And each one 1.05 raised to the power 20 hi ang tinga kanziate 2 into 10. Now, trick in Shia chuan leka video lui in en to chuan 105 square ang zat ngen chin 110 and 25 raised to the power 10. Decimal ko yang kandang digit pani ma oma baseng square nuwa 2 square is 4. So 4 means digit pali ma decimal kan shift there. Now, reilaute atan mo, hemi 25 hi han thengil data wo, reilaute atan kati chichu. So 1.10 raised to the power 10. This is 2.6 anitrin. Okay, 2.6 anitrin. It means hemi 2.6 hi hatain da deyang 100 into 2.6 decimal in da sunang anwaya 0. So zanile somrukanya. China 2 le 5 kan pay khatiro 2 le 5 kha pay mi alauta ila hem 0 ayan claim in a value a ombelang. Okay, claim in a value a ombelang. So 260 is 260 bull nai ami khani mai kan answer 265.50. Okay, question number 76. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. And each one 10 into 3.2. Anya, what should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target? 282 and each one remaining over find 40 overs throw and hatahan kan shemi alauran engzat nge kan siam nuwa target ka 282 niya decimal da sonila 0 le 0 cancel 32 heta kan minus deang 40 into x 282 atrangin 32 kan pechon zani somnga and 40x is equals to zani somnga netro and 0 le 0 can cancel x is equals to 25 by 4 and 25 by 4 here 6.25 anitrin. So 6.25 is correct answer. Question number 77. This type of questions in Movelle en format ngayon siya a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by ab. Hemi hi formula pakhato masin tahiyan. 4. 4 is the direct answer. In Shiam. So B is correct answer. Masing inla o ichuang la uchuan tihian solve la. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB minus A minus B whole square A square plus B square minus 2AB divided by AB niya. Minus ichunga multiply lu de ilah engtin nga kan ziyate. A square plus B square plus 2AB minus A square minus B square minus le minus plus anya 2AB by AB. And then A square le minus A square cancel. B square le minus B square cancel. Masing 2AB le 2AB is 4AB by AB. AB le AB and cancel 4 chi achua kang. So this type of hemi format in muchan mo always answer will be 4. And the identity pakhat in copy in ziak thaya hemi hi. What is the value of this one? Hemi identity hi 4AB anitrin. Okay, direct result. Question number 78. If A minus B is 3, A square plus B square is 29. Now what is the value of A plus B? A plus B value find out turun tihian in find out ten yellow and do A minus B lelam square de ila. Can square chon mo A square plus B square minus 2AB is equals to 9 anito. And A square plus B square value 29 and given a heta A square plus B square ain kanda there. So 29 minus 2AB is equals to 9. Hemi 9 hela makanda nga minus 2AB hela makanda. So 29 minus 9 is equals to 2AB. 29 atang in pakwa pay 20 anya. So 2 in 20 cancel the ila 10. AB value karne ito. How much? 10 is the correct answer. Question number 79 here. The fourth proportion to 5, 8, 15 is fourth proportion in Shiatiro. Fourth proportion omziachu 5 by 8 is equals to 15 by x. This is the fourth proportion. 5 in 15 3 times can cancel thaya. 8 kita 3 in can multiplying 24 is the correct answer. Question number 80 here. Hemi fraction hi percentage akan convert on. Fraction shim percentage akan convert appeang in 100 in can multiply chin. Chumi wangjan 5 20s are and 4 into 20 ang zat nge 80%. So 80% is correct answer of this question. Question number 81. If selling price is doubled, profit triples. Find the profit percent. Emi question hi ways atam to gama aseng way pakhat ka shilcheu nga cost price entinan za assume mo kan assume may so selling price engzat nge x assume bokila. Now selling price can double chuan SP will be how much? 2x anitona throw and profit engzat nge niton. Profit is SP minus CP, that is 2x minus 100 anitona. Now but just because of this profit engzat nge ale thum anite idonanyo. That's why atira khan profit engzat nge kha SP minus CP, that is x minus 100. Masing just because of hemi selling price is doubled, the profit triples. So tahan kan ziak nga 3 times profit, and profit was how much? X minus 100 equals to 2x minus 100. Okay, now can solve 3x minus 300 is equals to 2x minus 100. Hemi minus 300 hi heta, hemi 2x hi helama. So 3x minus 2x is equals to 300 minus 100. So 300 and 100 by zaninia and 3x turn into x by x ania. So x is equals to 200. Now selling price 200 throw. Find the profit percent. Now profit percent is selling price minus cost price into cost price by 100. Selling price is 200, cost price is 100, Cost price is 100 into 100. 100 le 100 can cancel. 200 the train 100 pay. 100% is correct answer. Okay. Question number 82. Two students appeared at an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other, and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. Sami po hi consult means previous videos. The marks obtained by them are exact ngani don. Omzia chumo students panian omatro pakhatin 9 marks adong nemzok other ain. It means that other kha means second aspirant second students kan x adon chuan first one in exat nge dong don he will get 9 plus x hemi berhinia and his marks was his marks exat nge 9 plus x his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. So 56% of to multiply sum of their marks. Sum of their marks first one less second one marks. So x plus 9 plus x hemihinia. Now x in find out tanga voikat hetain dang and voikat hetain dang in answer lau chuak meng lawan tawo cross multiply ila dule 4 pon cancel thei to mo poi chuang lo kan cross ang 9 into 100 is 900 plus x into 100 is 100x. Tahian x pani omatro so 2x po kan ziak thei to ania 56 into 2x is 112x plus 56 into 9 zanga somru ka trangin 56 pe khani maya zanga le pali so 504 504 okay. Now hemi 100x hela main zia kanga 504 hela main dang in page 1 zakwatang zanga lepali in page 1 396 anidon and zale som pani train zain page som pani x anidon hemi 12 yan hemi hi 3 time in cancel langa 36 and 36 la bang don 12 in 3 times in cancel le so value of x kan nei to tro tahan kan da second student in 33 amua and first student in 9 plus 33 that is 42 marks so 33 le 42 omna koinge hemi 32 le 42 omna first one got 42 and second one got 33. Question number 83. A fruit seller had some apples kanshim yellow engzat nge nei okay he sells 40% apples and still has 420 apples. Acha. Ani chon avai nantinan x apples neita se hetatrangian 40% of x aman asel day. Okay, asel day ya sel nuang zat ngelabang zalile somni hemi hini mai. Tuna cancelila 20 in 2s are 20 in 5s are. So we can rewrite it like this. 420. 5 into x 5x minus 2x by 5 is equals to zali somni. Now 5x satrang in 2x by 3x ania 3 in 420 hi 140 time ania and 5 in kimi hi can multiply chuan engzat nge zasari. So 700 apples is correct answer. Original. Okay, atira hetizathi anei aman. A unitary method pona solve thay. Unitary method in engtia solve tur. A fruit seller in engamozata neya and tina 100% anei. Chita trangchon 40% apple a sell de yatro 60% an alabang. So hey, 60% value is zali somni. So hemian can say lila 1% value is pasari. And atira 100% trone so lelam 100 can multiply jon zasari anei tiang po hena solve the unitary method in question number 84 ratio of 2 rupees hey cheng ni le 50 paise le rupees ratio shimshim himo entikange ratio an chin ratio an ni hunchu when numerator le denominator unit anin angchin anin angenge tur so rupee le paise nia rupee hi paise akan convert chuan 100 paise anichin 1 rupee 100 now paise le paise kan cancel 100 le 52 times so 2 into 2 4 so 4 by 1 is correct answer of this question okay question number 85. Compound interest on hetizathi at 7% per annum is hetizathi. So total means in find out to period, that is time period in find out the t value find out. Now till pahatan shiathiam tumula hemi principal ahian mo a compound interest kan bel chuan enge kan nechin principal interest kan bel chuan amount kan nechin so seeing thuma sangli zathum somli pasari kan bel chuan we will get 34347 kan nei don and a principal po kan nei the trangian simple the win can find out thei don amount is equals to 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power t. Okay, now amount kan nei 34347 and principal po kan nei sing thum 1 plus r is 7 and raised to the power t. Hemi sing thumi khuta kan datla de kan datlak vele engin nge trin kan cancel theyam som pakhat som panga som pariat som ni pakhat yes cancel theydon cancel ilani mailo hemi hi sing khatania and hemi hi 1 1 4 4 and 9 aniton 11449 hi eng square nge ing shiam du chon tiang pon in ziak te heta hian now hemithil hi kan rewrite the 11449 hi eng square nge zale pasari square ania sing khathi eng square za square ania so square ani vevia so direct hi an kan ziak the is equals to right hand side 1 plus 7 by 100 hi enge shim shimin 100 into 100 ania 100 are 7 bel zale pasari by 100 is equals to means raised to the power t since base ani nang to left hand side aposa pasari by 100 right hand side aposa le pasari by 100 now t is equals to what 2 so 2 years is correct answer of this question. Question number 86. A certain number is 4 times the sum of its digit. If 18 is added to the number, the digit gets interchanged. Number to engeni don. What is the number? Certain number is 4 times the sum of the digits. And each one more. Check chinila hit and trial in 5 plus 4 9 ania. Aletlinium nilaw. 4 plus 2 6 ania. Aletlinium nilaw. 3 plus 6 9 ania. Aletlinium yes ani. 2 plus 4 6 ania. Aletlinium yes. So option A le option B hichu answer ani thaito don lo. Amasabera chuan. Maseng 18 kan bel chuan values ay interchange datin bel chinila 36 sa 18 kan bela engzat ngani dei don it will become 54 so hemi pohi answer ani thailaw 24 ahian 18 belila engzat nge kan nei don we will get 42 in muam 18 kan bel vele values ka in interchange dei so 24 is the correct answer so question original number antichon original number is 24 and the new number engzat ngeni don new number kachu 18 kan belatro 42 anidon and original number is 24 according to this question the number is 24 the new number antichon 42 khani mein okay hemi 76 question number 87 area of equilateral triangle of side 1 centimeter length and each one what is the area of equilateral triangle in sham root 3 by 4 side square anishin this is the formula since side is 1 centimeter so into 1 square and each one simply root 3 by 4 centimeter square option A is correct answer. Question number 88. Average weight of 8% increases by 2.5 when a new person comes in place of voitam takkan solto tiang question ni heyanru atira 8% oma and relote tan average x kan assume maseng hemi average hi 2.5 in a increase de ya means x plus 2.5 ani de dona when entika new person alutang so plus y kan zia kanga 2i nge lawlu pakata chuangai don 65 kan minus there and again pakata chuaga pakata luta total person chu 8 bokanom don but our new average will be it gets increased by 2.5 throw so x plus 2.5 Now solve vila 8x plus y minus 65 is equals to 8x plus 8 into 2 16 and yeah 8 half ka 4 so 16 plus 4 20 hemi minus 65 hela maziak deila plus 65 ani don and hemi 8x le hemi 8x kan minus nga means kan cancel nga so y will be 85 so 85 kg is correct answer of this question. Question number 89. Alfred buys an old scooter. Sangli Zasarin scooter pahat lui alaya second hand. Okay. And spend second hand po ngai karlawa third hand, fourth hand, fifth hand po nithai. Old scooter alaya and spends 800 on its repair. So total ama ipte atrangin poisa engzat nge man a spend 4500 le 800 that is 5500 ama ipte atrangin. This is the cost price. If he sells the scooter for 5800, so selling price pon given a 5800 enge a omzia. Again don't tinani because selling price is more than the cost price. So gain percent formula SP minus CP by CP into 100%. Now SP is 5800 minus CP is 5500 by CP is 5500 into 100. 5800 the train 5500 pay zathum ani 0 pani le chungami 0 pani kan pay day. So zathum by 55. 5 in cancel ila somru kan idon 5 in cancel ila 11. So 60 11 in can cancel divide chuan 11 5s are 55 panga alabang and a divide to 11. So B is correct answer of this question. So tuna 90. The greatest four digits number which is divisible by 15, 25, 40 less than 25. Again tiang itro. Divided by nichon LCM can find out liang 15, 25, 40 and 75. What is the LCM? And though 15 yang tin nga kan ziyate 3 into 5. 25 hi 5 square. 40 yang tin nga kan ziyate 2 square 2 cube into 5 kan ziyate because 8 into 5 and 18. And 75 hi 5 square into 3 and each one. 2 cube 2 raised to the power number ka 2 cube anya 3 raised to the power number 3 nya and 5 raised to the power number 2 5 square hi ani maya. Each one 8 into 3 into 25. 25 8s are Zani and Zani 3s are Zaruk. So LCM kan nahi to LCM is 600. Duchon long division method pon install thai thawanya nang mani thu. Tuna greatest four digit number he khovela hian 9999 ania hemithil himo Zarukin kan divide. Zarukin kan divide chon 1s are 3999. Zaruk 6 zarangza 7 zar ni the don lo 36 tiza thine 399. So 9999 atrangin hemi remainder he can pay yang. So 9600. 9600 is that number which can be divided by 15 also, 25 also, 40 also and 75 also. Okay, this is the method. Greatest ratio out of 2 by 3 le 5 by 4 le 3 by 2 le 4 by 5 tahian greatest ratio ange ama saberachon mo proper ratio le improper ratio in shia tanga. Improper ratio is always greater than proper ratio. This is proper ratio, this is proper ratio, so these two cannot be the answer. Enge answer ni theidon 5 by 4 or 3 by 2. Masang 5 by 4 le 3 by 2 apo hian trick chu om tahian trick ka shilo chunga basic ka shilang chu cross multiply de chinru 2 le 5 can multiply ya 10 ania 4 le 3 can multiply 12 ania enge tamzog in sham hey 12 hi tamzog 3 by 2 hi tamzog don chumi wangjon 3 by 2 is correct answer. Okay. Question number 92. Sum of money at simple interest amounts to Zariat le sompanga chupo. Hey, kum thuma engzat moni de chin Zariat sompanga. And kumlia engzat ngeni don Zariat le somnga pali. So difference ento 1 year how much? 9 and 3. Cheng som thum pakua chupo 1 year. kum thuma simple interest ang zat nge kan nei don 7211 cheng zale som pasari ania sum find out tangai tro amount kan nei zaria som panga chuan kum thuma interest kan nei za som pasari principal nge formula amount minus si amount is zaria som panga si is za som pasari minus chenila 117 kan pay chuan 8 9 6 so 698 is the correct answer of this question. Question number 93. If x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is equals to x by 4 plus 5, then what is the value of x? And each one more. Left hand side me here. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is equals to x by 4 plus 5. Hemi. What is the simplified form? LCM is 6 throw. And each one 1 6 zarania. The 6x 2 exarts are 3 zar. 3 exarts are 6 2 zar tihian is equals to hemi solve 4 into 5 exart 20 anithon. So by 4. Now hemi 2 in cancel 3 hemi 2 in cancel 2 6x plus 3x plus 2x exart ngani 11x by 3 is equals to x plus 20 by 2. Cross multiply the rotian mortian cross multiply the ula. So 22x is equals to 3x plus 3 into 20 60. Now 3x hela madaula exat need on 19x is equals to 60. Now x is equals to 60 by 19. Option A is correct answer of this question. Question number 94. Mr. A can do 2 by 3 work in 18 days. So 2 in can cancel a 9 metric ani A in a vine nisomni pasaria na athokzau theidon. In how many days does he finish 1/4? So hemi 1/4 exat ngani don. 27 himo 4 in can divide nga 6 are 24 3 remainder. So remainder divide 2 and quotient. 6 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Question number 95. Tahian converted into a fraction in each one. 0.232323 dash. Enge repeat per tahian 2 le 3 repeat. Chumi wang chun 2 le 3 chunga bar kanda. And each one 2 le 3 chunga tero bar om. So number pani chunga bar om chun 9 void ni kan ziak. So 23 by 99 is correct answer. Question number 96. Two numbers A and B are such that sum of 5%. Hey, sum and 5% of A le 4% of B is exact 2/3. Hey, 2 by 3. 2/3 of what? Sum of 6% of A. So 6% of A and then yeah, plus 8% of B. So 8% of B. Find the ratio of A is to B can find out ang yo. Ani chon thil pahat tinga lila ni mailo. 100 can cancel tay. Chon enge bang. Hey, 5A plus 4B is equals to 2 by 3 6A plus 8B. Hemi 3 cross multiply de ila 15A plus 12B is equals to achunga multiply lu de ila 2 hi 12A plus 2 into 8 16B. Now A to A bula da mo 15A minus 12A and B hi B bula da ila 16B minus 12B. 15A atrang in 12A pay 3A niya 16B atrang in 12B pay 4B niya. Now 3A is equals to 4B kan nei to tro. Kan find out turi ratio find out ang aya chumi wang chuan A by B is equals to 4 by 3. Eng tin nge kan zia chin hemi hi. A nwaya B kan zia ka and 4 nwaya 3 kan tontla. That's why we kat kan zia chaleang. 8 nwaya B kanda A chutiang bokchan 4 nwaya 3 kanda. And this is the required ratio 4:3. Question number 97. Least number of complete years in which a sum of money put out at 20% compound interest will be more than doubled. Omzachu principal change zan each one when it gets doubled 200 and idonatro. Masing least number of complete year can find out ang idon. Hemi question hi atrakatia. Hemi question hi engtia sol tunge. Amount formula is P1 plus R by 100 raised to the power t. So it should be doubled and yeah. Minimum can find out ang idon. Minimum year hemi ti hian mo where t is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dash up to n time. So options how we can that hai. Okay, options how can da nga dule hit and trial in kay man can solve. Gawan do r in 20 ka dang r in 20 ka da vele 20 by 100 1 by 5 anya and 1 plus 1 by 5 is 6 by 5. So p 6 by 5 raised to the power t is greater than 2p. P le p kan cancel lang. Now 6 by 5 hi exact nga ni chin 1.2 ani chin. Okay. Now 1.2 raised to the power t should be greater than 2. Masing a value ka kan put ang. Kan satisfy tirang value kan put ang mo. 1 kan put 1.2 hi greater anilaw. Okay. Just greater tur khania. 2 daila 1.2 square ang zat nga ni chin 1.44 ani chin. Hemi po hi ala dikthailo. Cube dale chinila t in 3 daila mo 1.2 cube ang zat nga 1.728 ani chin. Hemi po hi ala dikthay don chuang law. Achan chu 2 in ala tam law. Okay. Ani 4 kandang 1.2 raised to the power 4 hi 2 in greater thay donam can check chinango 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 exact nge 1.2 into 1.2 is 1.44 and 1.44 into 1. And 1.44 into 1.44 exact nge ni don hemi hi adik thay don because 1.4 hi nge ni chin 1.4 square is 1.96 masang hemi chu 1.44 now so 2 point something ani don hemi mo 2 across the don it means that least number of complete year should be 4 ani don. Okay, this question is very good. Tahian tam takin ngatinge greater hi kanda achan chumo tahan will be more than doubled ania chumi wangjan more than doubled ania that's why 2pi in atamtur. Question number 98. In a shower 5 centimeter of rain falls, the volume of water that falls on 1.5 hectare. Hemi hi a area and given a 1.5 hectare of ground ani a. Now, hemi question is all turin mo thil pakat kan find out ang aidon. Hectare pakata. What is the means total meter square ang zat ngayon chin? Hemi thili poimo 1 hectare a vine 10,000 meter square omchin. Maseng khoshani 1.5 hectare ni wangin sing khatle sanga meter square tiyan kan zia kang. And hemi 5 centimeter of rain hitra. 5 centimeter of rain option sa hui meter no mawangin hemi po hi meter kan konvatang. Now 5 centimeter meter ang zat ngayon chin 0.05 meter omchin. Okay, volume throw find out through volume enge formula area into height. Area kanneya 15000 meter square and a height po kanne tolo may can find out zawuchia 0.05 meter. Now meter square le meter hichu direct enge kan ziyadon meter cube and decimal kan dason vele bl pani noya omang 0 pani le 0 pani and 150 into 5 is 750 meter cube. This is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 99. A is to B and given a 7 is to 5. B is to C and given a 9 is to 11. A, B, C find out. Ami question is you common lu tu katro. Exam achu ak ngenge china. So A is to B is to C. A le B noya 7 is to 5 kanda. B le C noya 9 is to 11 kanda. Hey, hetaruaka abulumi number 9. Hetaruaka abulumi number 5. So 7 nines are 63, 5 nines are 45, 5 11s are 55. So 63, 40, 63, 45, 55 is correct answer. Question number 100. Product of two number and given and your how much? 4107. HCF of these two numbers and given are 37. So greater number find out tangai. Ani chuantro. Tiang question yang te solve. HCF and given are two numbers spoken nate. First number is 37A and second number is 37B. Hemihinia. Now product and theatro. So what will be the product? So 37A into 37B. Here. Since 37 le 37 multiple anoma, so what is the square of 37? 37 square is 1369. And hami hi initiate nge to square le cube chumo heiti here. And 1369 kuta kan ziak tlade nga hey 1369. Cancel lila 3 times ani do. So A into B hi ang zat nge 3 ti kan sheto. So pair nge kan nei the 1 le 3 kan nei the tro. Then only A B ka 3 ni chon 1 into 3 or 3 into 1 ani do. And voi ka 37 hi heta kan da nga and voi ka 37 3 ya kan da. So 37 3s are 3 7s are 21, 2 carry 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. So greater number antia 111 is correct answer. So questions at shalom lutuka tizong hinia question number 100. Total 50 questions can solve a video trying to join in like nga channel first time in visit chuan amo in le subscribe me allow chuan in subscribe ni donya. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next video and mule at donya.